learn the words first. Walk, maxi, 走。Run, kuhi, 跑。Walk, run, hop, 速，单腿跳。Jog, faire du jogging, 慢跑。Hop, jog, jump, 速地，跳。Leap, 速，换腿跳。Jump, leap. Dictation. Get a pencil and paper ready. Linda walks a few miles to school. Linda walks a few miles to school.琳达步行几英里才能到学校。The garden is 5 minutes walk from here. The garden is 5 minutes walk from here. « 这个花园离这里有5分钟步行路程。When you hop, you jump on 1 foot. When animals hop, they jump with 2 feet together. When you hop, you jump on 1 foot. When animals hop, they jump with 2 feet together. 当你 hop 的时候，你单脚跳行；当动物 hop 的时候，它们双脚齐足跳行。When you run, you move along quickly by taking very quick steps. When you jog, you run slowly. When you run, you move along quickly by taking very quick steps. When you jog, you run slowly. 当你跑的时候，你用快速步伐向前移动；当你 jog 的时候，你在慢速跑动。He tensed his muscles for the leap. He tensed his muscles for the leap. 他绷紧肌肉，准备跳跃。Did you get anything right? Please subscribe. You can get more.